Cause the fire make it fun them. We mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some fun. Why run? And we will end your week just like a fun.
Alright, so we're back at another pond here. The rain missed us, but look at this, it was right over me. I didn't want to get hit by lightning, so we just took a little intermission, a little break. Now, we're going to try now is this oof, if I can grab it. It's lunker hunt spider in the fang color. So we're going to see if we can get a topwater bite on that. Just adjust my settings here. Should be good. This thing's very light. It's so light. Like, this thing's really hard to cast, honestly. I've never casted something this light like this on this rod. So looks cool. I think it'll get some bites on the right environment. Like, I don't think that's the right environment for this spider. So we're gonna do some chatterbait. We're thinking on a white and chartreuse chatterbait with a saucy swimmer trailer. See if that'll get us any bites. Yeah, someone's got it. Get on the first cast. First cast with the chatterbait. There we go. Okay, so we got this one on the chatterbait. Pretty good fish. It's about a pound. Let's get a release in this guy. And there he goes. So I was saying, first cast on the chatterbait. Again, so we got a white chartreuse chatterbait with the saucy swimmer on the trailer. So it's a good, really good bite. Like, I felt the nibble on it and then it just took it. So might need to get I think I need to get another trailer on there because this one's falling off now. So you can see, he tore it up pretty good. That'll do it. That looks good. I'm gonna see if we can get on another chatterbait fish. Staying on pretty good over there, so. There's a turtle. There's a turtle chasing it right now. I do not want this turtle to eat my chatterbait, but it is going in on it. I don't know if you guys saw that, but the turtle right there was chasing it. I mean, following it pretty fast. I didn't know those turtles can swim that fast. That's crazy. I've never seen that before. Looks like it's in his sights again. Let me see. Yep, he's on it again. Look at this. You guys can see it. He is on it. Take a look. He's chasing this chatterbait. A little bit too much turtle activity here, so we're gonna migrate to the left a bit. Try out this spider some more. Again, water's pushing this way. I love when it does this. Water pushes out a certain direction. I feel like it's pushing bugs and stuff to a certain area. So top water is what I love to throw, especially around this scum. And if the water's flowing towards the scum, I feel like that's a great environment for this spider right now. So we'll see what we can do. So my steps when I'm heading out. You never know once you fished it. Like, these fish aren't just idly sitting in the water. They're actively swimming around. And just because you hit one spot one time, there wasn't anything, you can go back and there could be a school there. So I always like to retrace my steps, fish where I've already fished on the way out. That way you may hook up on something that you thought was not there. So I'm gonna try that same spot we just cast it out at. Just gonna bring it across a couple times, see if there's anything else that came back to this spot from the time that we were over on the other side of the pond to now. There's some fish following it, but they were small. For my chatterbaits, like, I really just like to make it erratic as possible. Instead of just like a consistent swim, I like to let the skirt flare up a bit, let it fall. It's kind of like like if it's like a struggling bait fish that's dying, that's what make you think like, hey, free easy meal, and they might get on it. Last cast here, and we're gonna see that. That's a decent one. Feels good. Hadn't jumped yet. I really hope that's not a turtle. No, it's a bass. Okay. Pretty good one. It's an okay one. Kind of looks like the one I caught a second ago. So we got another, it's about a pound bass. It kind of looks similar to the one we caught. But that's what I mean about making sure that you are like going back. And there he goes. Make sure that you're going back and retracing your steps. Because just because you fished it one time, they could definitely come back and still actively look for food. Hey yo! All right, so we're here, spot number 2. We're gonna go ahead and this is the spot I was telling you that I think the spider would be amazing. This is the if you watched, I think it was the surprise catch video. If you watch that surprise catch video, you can see I was just dragging like soft plastic worms on top of like these scum grass lines over here, and they were getting hit so many times. So we're gonna try the same deal, and it's like a much smaller profile than the frog we were using. So we're gonna start off with this. Start off with this right here. See if we can get on something. Let's see. Like, this is the literal reason why I came out to this pond, is just to do this. Like, this is... It's sunny, right? So you'd think the bass will be under this grass. No blow up yet. But this spider looks so realistic in this water. Like, I'm very, very, very impressed with this thing. Just the way that you can do this, just gonna skip it. Crawl it, I should say, over this slop like this. It's upside down right there. I don't understand, like, sometimes it just flips upside down. Probably because of this. Like, I don't even know how this happened, but the hook got inside the spider's thorax. So we're gonna take it out of that and just gonna put it back in there without stabbing myself. Continue casting to this. I wish it was more weedless. As I'm getting a lot of grass caught up on it, it's making it flip upside down. The way it looks, it's amazing, but just like... I don't understand why it keeps flipping upside down like that. I've never had a bait, topwater bait, do that so much. Like right now, it's upside down. That's why it's getting... It's upside down. That's why it's... I don't understand why it keeps going upside down like that. If anybody's used a spider and found a way to not have it flip upside down like that so often, please, please, please let me know. Because I really do like this bait, but if it keeps doing this, it's going to render itself unusable for me and how I like to fish it, but I don't know. I wish the fish can get the spider, but like... Here we go. No. So we got him on the spider. He came off, but we were able to get one on the spider. He's about a good, maybe a pound, 3/4 of it, 75 ounces, but decent one on the first catch on the spider. That was awesome, cool. I was talking so bad about it, but it did what it had to do, so get a release on it. So that's what I was wanting to do, and it did it, so cool. Didn't set the hook that well, but I just wanted to make sure he had it, and he did, so. What's up, everybody? Inevitable Fishing. I want to thank you guys for tuning in to the fishing trip today. Felt great to get back on the water. We got three fish total. 2 on the chatterbait, 1 on the spider. Yeah, but that's it. I'm running out of battery, so if you guys enjoyed, please smash that like button, subscribe, and comment. Catch you guys later on the next episode of Inevitable Fishing. Y'all take it easy. Take care. Later.